everyone. So today we are making one special dish that is sweet item. It's payasam. You may thinking like what special? Yes, it's a different recipe. It's a healthier one. You all can make it without any guilt. You can eat it. So what happens is whenever we make sweets, when like festival time, all those things, right? Then that time it's already have a heavier food. We with along with that we eat payasam also. So if you add milk is an item that takes lot of time to digest. So that's the reason we should not use even when the festival time or whenever the dish are more like we have to eat more things that time. Please reduce, don't use the milk products because along with everything it takes again a lot of pressure to our gut to digest. Instead of cow milk you can use coconut milk also. So instead of ghee, those things we can reduce, and without that how we can make this payasam tastier. So let's make this one. So for this, it requires only limited items. It's very easy. Let's make this together. For this, I have taken here clay pot. Make a food, whatever it is, with the clay pot. It's healthier option. And I have soaked this chana dal overnight, or like 2 to 3 hours is also fine. So then I have taken that quarter cup, and 1 cup I have taken this chow chow. It's a vegetable. So if you don't have that vegetable, you can use even bottle ground also. So any vegetable you can use here. So quarter cup is chana dal, and 1 cup is that any vegetable. So I have taken here chow chow and chop that into small pieces and just put some water, and just keep it on the stove and keep that in a low flame. So actually it's not about the clay pot. Whatever dish you are making, we should make in a low flame, not in a high flame. So meanwhile, like we can take out the milk. So see, we require this later, but we can keep it ready. So just add 1:2, means 1 cup of coconut means 2 cup of water. So like that measurement you can add water and grind it a smooth paste and strain it. If you have a muslin cloth, just put that in a muslin cloth. Add handkerchief also fine, like white color you take the cloth, not the color one, and just strain it. In muslin cloth it's very easy to strain. I have only little much, so I'm doing it in a strainer. I have taken here quarter cup of coconut and half cup of water, a little bit less water. This milk, if we use, that's the best option. So we will keep it in a side. Milk is there. So then we will check this whether it cooked or not. I think it's cooked. See, as you can see that with the finger you can press and see it's cooked. If not, you can cook some more time. If there is no water, you can put some water and you let them cook again. So mine is almost like cooked one. So I will leave it for some more time, little more time. So now it's fully cooked, right? See, my water is also gone. Now it's cooked. So if you feel like, see, some people doesn't like this chana dal whole big crunch thing. If you don't like that thing, you can smash it little bit with the help of some instrument like this. I have this instrument, or else you can use that cup and just smash it, or with the spoon itself you just smash it. How much is possible, that much try to do that. So it's not compulsory. It's if you don't like that crunchy thing, or if you want payasam should be uh, like liquidy kind and smooth, then you can do it. Otherwise I like to be like a whole thing. So my mother likes to be smashy, so she's doing that thing. So okay, now it's ready, that has mixed well properly. So now we can add here long cloves. So I have added here four. So you can add like 4, 5 is also fine. So now we can just mix it little bit, and now we are adding here a jaggery. I am taken here 3/4 cup or 1 cup also you can take according to your sweet level. So one, some jaggery contains more sweet, some jaggery contains less sweet. According to that also you have to see. If it requires more, you can add some more also. So let it boil. So let melt all the jaggery and mix with that vegetable and chana dal properly. It will combine. So you can just close the lid for a while and leave it for a while. So after a while, it will be combined together. See, jaggery is melted now full, and in this condition, I'm adding even raisins. So you can add those directly. No need to fry in ghee or something. You can just add it. Nothing will happen. It gives very nice taste. So now why I'm not adding here more water here, because we are going to add coconut milk at the end. So it will become again the liquid, right? So the thickness also you should see how much thickness you want, the payasam thickness, that much water or milk you can add. I'm adding here cardamom powder and even dry ginger powder also you can add here. So both I'm adding. So then just mix it. It's ready. See, even you can add here the cashews, roasted cashews also, or else or raw one also you can add. Just add cashews also and mix it. And now in this stage, we are going to add this milk. So my mom is making this very beautifully and adding at the end milk. I have a thick milk, so I have little added less also water. If you want, you can add water. How much you want? See the thickness now. See if you require more, you can add some water. And it's very delicious. You can just try it out and switch off the flame. Don't forget, because after adding coconut milk, you should not burn that. You should not cook directly coconut milk on the fire. So we will close the lid and let it be there for a while, and it's done. It's so delicious, it's very tasty, and we don't had added ghee or butter or milk, but still it is very, very tasty and delicious and awesome. You just try this out, and without any guilt, we can eat it even in the festival time with all other ingredients. It is easy to digest also, because no milk, it takes a lot of time to digest milk, right? So now no milk, it takes lesser time to digest. Is happy tummy, happy us. Right? So beautiful it is. See, so you can even keep it in a fridge for a while, and then you can serve this thanda also. Cool, like a chill payasam is also very nice. That is also very taste. Even the hot one, it will be gives a different taste. Both you can try. Some you can try now, and some you can keep it fridge and have it for a while later. Then that will also give a beautiful taste later, but don't keep it for next day. Finish it off today itself. So that's it, guys. See, so beautiful payasam for you. It's ready. So you can have it. Very nice. So beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. And see you in the next video. Namaste, guys. Namaste.